Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because I'm going to show you a few artsy ways to spend your time when you're bored. So I know a lot of us are stuck at home at the moment. We've been stuck for a while now, but I've got a few artsy ways that I've actually been enjoying myself that I want to share with you because I think they're super cool and they're gonna help you enjoy your time at home and be more creative and have lots and lots of fun. Let's get started.
So the first thing I've been enjoying is practicing nail art. You can do it with regular or gel polishes, and of course you can do it on your own nails, but if you're not sure about something or want to see how it looks first, you can use some false nail tips or one of those nail swatch wheels. I usually go on Pinterest for inspiration or try things with the colors I have available. And a good tip for this is you can use acrylic paint for small details if you don't have a certain color. And what I use to hold my tips is a plastic spoon and some blue tack. Next we have diamond painting. If you don't know what this is, I have a full video that I'm going to link in the description, but it's basically a sticky picture with small squares and numbers on it and a bunch of plastic diamonds. All you do is use this tool to pick up one of these plastic beads and stick it onto the corresponding square on the picture. The kits are usually very inexpensive and come with everything you need. They come in a variety of designs, and the activity is super satisfying. Not sponsored, by the way. Next idea is for people who have small pets. You can build a little maze type thing or an agility course with some of their favorite snacks. This will be really stimulating for your pets and a fun project for you. Just remember to be respectful of your pets and don't wake them up to do this. And make sure they're not chewing on anything, as the glue can harm them if they eat it. You can do the same with bigger pets and more cardboard, or just enjoy the company and maybe practice some tricks using positive reinforcement. Next up we have digital art. I recently got myself a drawing tablet for a project I'm working on, and you can get one for really cheap. But you can also use your phone and a cheap dollar store stylus. So the app I've been using on my phone is called Ibis Paint X, and it's completely free and quite easy to use. You can add layers and use different cool brushes. And I made last week's video frame with it. And here's a little speed painting of a mermaid hiding behind a passion fruit. I also used this design to order a fabric sample and it turned out so cool. Next we've got something super simple but still cute, and that's paper squishes. If you don't have any art supplies, this is fairly easy for anyone to do. You just need paper, something to draw on it, clear tape and some kind of stuffing. I'm using cut up makeup sponges here. Just don't steal anyone's sponges. So all you have to do is draw anything you want, cover it with tape on both sides, cut it out, tape sides together leaving an opening for the stuffing, stuff it up, tape it up, and you have a paper squishy. Next, something you might need if you'd like to make a real squishy or give your old squishy a transformation. DIY fabric paint. There's two kinds of fabric paint you can make. You can simply mix PVA glue and most kinds of paint. I'm using poster paint here. And you'll have a paint for thin coats, or you can do the same, glue with paint, and add some shaving foam to make puffy paint. And I used this paint last week to make this adorable Animal Crossing inspired squishy, which I will of course link below.
So that is it for today's video. However, if you'd like any more ideas on what to do while you're bored, I've got plenty of videos on my channel with different things you can do. I've got a recipe for your own polymer clay type clay. It's a porcelain clay and it's super easy to make as well. So if you'd like to check out my channel, feel free to do so. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to see any more videos. I've been working on a few that I'm really excited about. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you soon. Bye.